Okay, today I'm going to show you how to repair the Xbox laser to clean it on the original Xbox. Okay, you're going to need tools though. Torx 10 you're going to need, Torx 5, and a screwdriver with a magnetic tip. You're going to need it to get the screw things. Okay, next there are 6 screws like this that have to be unscrewed. One's here, one's under this sticker here, one's here under stopper, one's here under the other stopper, one's here under this stopper right here, and one's there under this big sticker. This sticker's nothing. After that, the top should come off like a flimsy little piece of metal. Okay, then there are these little screws like it where the Torx 5 is gonna have to get it out, but they're pretty deep. This is where you need the magnetic screwdriver. This and one other part. It's this little screw, there'll be pictures on the site I post. After you get them all out, you have to take out the hard drive. You have to disconnect the wire there, the big fat rainbow wire thing, and that's the only wire you disconnect. Then the hard drive comes out. There's this little red wire, but it doesn't get unconnected. It's connected to the system. Just leave it. After, you go to the rainbow wire again and you disconnect it. You also have to disconnect this little yellow wire that you see right there. And then this should just come out. It's the disk drive. You have to take off this metal piece after, and this black piece. You have to like peel it apart, kind of, because it's little hooks. Oh, and there's the inside of the Xbox. That's what it looks like. After, there's a screw there, 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 and there that need to be undone. This is also where the magnetic screwdriver is helpful. But there's another tool you can use. You have to unscrew it here and just pull it out. And hold on, we're gonna just unscrew it. Give a second. Give us a second. But yeah, the laser's in there. Hold on. Give us 1 second. Oh, make sure you don't lose any of these screws that are coming out. They're small. You're gonna need them later to like rebuild it. Okay. After you're finished, piece here will just come off. As you can see, we have Desert Storm 2 in there. And make sure there's no games, by the way. And then you have to take off this. It's a little bit harder, but it comes off. What a pain. Yeah. Hold on. Keep talking. Okay. And you take off the bottom. When you take it off, this will be the back, this will be the front. And you can see the laser right there. Take a little cleaning solution for the lens, not Windex or anything, but like a lens cleaning solution, and clean it off. I don't have any, so I won't be able to show you that, but you get the point with that. Then basically you put the bottom piece on first. You have to put it on first. You don't screw anything in until the top piece is on also. That goes on second, the top piece. That's what it looks like, but it's not done yet. You have to put in the back screws first, and you need the Torx 5 wrench for that. Hold on. You're gonna have a bunch of Torx 5 wrenches, screws. Make sure you grab the smaller ones for the CD drive. The bigger ones won't fit. They're like that big. They're tiny. Then you're gonna have normal screws to put in, and this is where the magnetic screwdriver comes in handy again. Yeah, you can't see it, but it's tiny. But you put it in after it locks the two metal pieces together. After that, you're gonna want to put the CD drive back on this, like so. Well, wait, first you're gonna want to put this on though. The metal piece that was on the front in the beginning. Then you're going to want to stick this on. It may take you a couple of tries to figure out which way it goes, but yeah. Make sure the side pieces are connected. Then, as you can see how it's set up now, this goes in first. Just like it went in last, it now goes in first. It went out last, it goes in first. Connect these back up. Okay. Run the wire over. Put the hard drive back in the slots. There are a few slots, they're hard to see, but they're little black slots. Oh, whoops, put it in the wrong way. It'll slide right in if you get it into the right spots. Run the yellow, black, and red cord on the side. Around. It should still be plugged in, by the way, so if you unplugged it, you did something wrong. Then you connect the rainbow cord thing again back to the hard drive. After that's plugged in, you take these little screws. And you basically put it back up. You have to use the magnetic to get it in. I have to screw it in a little bit because it sticks otherwise. Then take your Torx wrench. Screw them back up. Okay, after that, take this part again if you remember it. Plop it back on. Flip it over. Put the screws back in, and you'll be operational. Okay, thanks for watching. If you need more help, there's a site. Just look at that, and it'll give you more specific instructions.